Welcome again to raigurukul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to get advanced setting in Jira through REST API. We'll discuss here how to extract this detail by using REST API. This will return the application properties that are accessible on the advanced setting page. To navigate to advanced setting page in Jira, we have to go to our Jira credentials where we need to select the project or the detail or the instance which we have created. Post that, we have to navigate it to our profile. From the profile sections, we will navigate it down to the account preferences or the security setting. So this is the manual step. If we are extracting advanced Jira settings, then we need to have the admin login credentials where we will use through REST API. So this is the complete path where we are using get method, then the domain name, then the REST API 3 application properties or advanced setting. So I'll see here how to extract these details. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. So as you can see here, I'm using Postman where here I've selected get method. This is the domain name and the REST API 3 is the path. Post that I'm going to add additional path or extracting advanced application setting, which is application properties advanced setting. When I will click on send, I will get complete advanced setting detail where I will get ID, key value, name, type, then the key value, name, descriptions. These all details will be available for me. So if you can see here, similar type of responses available in the example section as well, like your Jira home, key value, name, description, type, default value. So this is how we can extract advanced setting through Jira REST API. Hope you enjoyed it. If you really think this is useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.